Not all endangered animals are famous yet, some are quietly slipping toward extinction. Climate change, deforestation, hunting, and pollution are now threatening species we once thought were safe. Here are 10 animals that are rising to risk, and may soon be added to the endangered list if we don't act now. 1. African lion. Once rulers of Africa's grasslands, African lions are now losing territory every year. Today, fewer than 20,000 remain in the wild. Trophy hunting, shrinking habitats, and conflicts with humans have cut their numbers in half over the past 50 years. If these threats continue, the king of the jungle may become just a memory in the wild. 2. Honeybee. They pollinate 1/3 of everything we eat, fruits, vegetables, and flowers. Yet honeybees are disappearing at an alarming rate. Pesticides, disease-carrying mites, pollution, and climate change are collapsing entire bee colonies. Without bees, global food security itself is at risk. This tiny insect could trigger a global agricultural crisis. 3. Penguins. These adorable seabirds are facing deadly changes. Emperor penguins depend on sea ice to breed, but warming temperatures are melting their world. Galapagos penguins are threatened by rising sea levels and disrupted ocean currents. Overfishing has also reduced their food supply. Populations have dropped by up to 80% in some areas, and they are now on the edge. 4. Coral reef fish. These colorful fish live in coral reefs, some of the most diverse ecosystems on Earth. But coral reefs are bleaching and dying due to rising ocean temperatures and acidification. When the coral dies, the fish lose their shelter, food, and breeding grounds. Entire marine food chains are being broken, and many species may vanish before we even discover them. 5. Koala. Cute, calm, and cuddly, koalas are Australia's national treasure. But wildfires, deforestation, and diseases like chlamydia have devastated their population. In 2019 to 2020, over 60,000 koalas were lost in just one fire season. Their eucalyptus forests are shrinking, and so is their future. Without urgent conservation, they could go extinct in many regions by 2050. 6. Polar bear. Symbol of the Arctic, and now, a symbol of climate change. Polar bears rely on sea ice to hunt seals. But as the ice melts earlier and faster each year, they're forced to swim longer, starve more often, and raise cubs in worsening conditions. Their population is declining across all major regions. If the Arctic melts completely, polar bears may disappear from the wild. 7. Gray wolf. Once spread across North America, Europe, and Asia, gray wolves have been hunted for centuries. Even though they're making a comeback in some places, they still face illegal poaching, habitat loss, and government culling. In the US, protections are being removed, putting wolves back in danger. They play a key role in ecosystems by controlling prey. Without them, nature falls out of balance. 8. Himalayan monal. A stunning bird found in the Himalayan forests of Nepal and northern India. Known for its rainbow feathers, this bird is now facing increasing threats from habitat loss, hunting for feathers, and climate shifts. Its alpine habitat is shrinking fast, and breeding has become harder due to environmental stress. It may not be endangered yet, but it's rising on the risk scale quickly. 9. Hippopotamus. Often overlooked in conservation talk, hippos are quietly sliding toward danger. Hunted for their ivory-like teeth and meat, and losing their freshwater homes due to irrigation and drought, hippos are suffering in silence. They're highly territorial, and conflict with humans is increasing. Their numbers have declined sharply across Central and West Africa. 10. Kangaroo. Australia's most iconic animals are not as safe as they seem. Drought, extreme heat, bushfires, and habitat destruction are affecting kangaroo populations more than ever before. They are often culled in large numbers as pests, and commercial hunting is growing. Some local populations are crashing, and without proper monitoring, they could be at major risk in the coming decades. These animals are rising to risk, and we're running out of time. Which of these surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread awareness. Because once a species is gone, it's gone forever.